Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And now I show you how to crochet easy to make cord or bracelet, necklace or belt with beads, or you can use seed beads. Here how they look like. In the first case I used beads and I did 2 chains between beads, and in the second case I used seed beads, 1 chain between seed beads. Let's get started. For work I will use a ball of yarn 169 meters in 50 grams and beads. All additional information about the tools and accessories can be found in the description below the video. Before the work I threaded beads onto the working yarn. Let's crochet my cord. Make a chain. I pull a little bit, so I put my small piece of yarn and move it to the front side of the work. And look, insert the hook into the same chain that I did before and take the working yarn, pull it through. Here what I have. So I will make this method always in this video tutorial. Insert the hook into the 1 stitch, make a chain. I have done 2 chains, and now I show you how to crochet such cord with bead. You can use seed beads or just bead. Before the work I threaded beads onto the working yarn. Insert the hook into the previous chain. Take the working yarn, pull it through like this. As you can see, I have not small size of bead, so I will make 1 or 2 chains between beads. For more beautiful look, insert the hook into the previous chain stitch and make the chain. Insert the hook into the previous chain and make the second chain stitch. So I will join a bead into the chain. Draw bead, insert the hook into the previous chain, make chain with bead like this, insert the hook into the chain, it was the previous chain, make a chain stitch. If you use seed beads, you can crochet 1 chain between seed beads. Now I'm making 2 stitches, and let's make 1 more chain with bead. Draw bead, insert the hook into the previous chain, make a chain with bead. Here what I have done 3 chains with beads. You should crochet as many times as you need for your cord or for your decoration. In my case, I'm using green color of yarn and green beads. You can use any kinds of yarn and any colors. You can use it like a base to create cord, or it could be like a H for ready project. But in this case you should join 2 pieces together using the crochet hook or sewing needle. And I remind you, all additional information about the tools can be found in the description below the video. You can use it like a bracelet, necklace or belt, And for example, I have done exact cord but used seed beads. Here how it looks. In this case, I did one chain between seed beads. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. Please write comment below the video what you will get with this video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!